So I just got this Craftsman mechanics tool set, 450 piece. Here's kind of what it looks like. I got it on Black Friday. It was for sale for $199, and then they're doing this thing where if you spend over $250, you will get $25 per week back. So there's some other stuff I bought that I didn't need, but I bought these ratcheting combination wrenches, some tool bags, some pliers, and then that's all I bought from Sears. And then Walmart, that was 30, 40, 20, and 13. So getting back to this, I'll unbox it, show you guys what's going on. There it is. There's the Sears thing saying I just bought this, whatever. There's this. So let's see, we got a bunch of wrenches. It's not labeled. Oh, actually it is. It's labeled up here. So probably paint that or something so it's more visible. It's kind of annoying. There are some skips, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So no 10, no 18, 19. Here's 20 hex. That's nice to have, I guess, but it doesn't have those already. More hexes. Here's something was in the wrong spot. So 13. Haven't even opened this thing yet. Things are kind of out of the place. So various screwdriver tips, X's, etc. And then some midget. It's funny. Okay. See, now I believe this pops open somehow. There we go. Jeez. Okay. Wow. I don't know if I'm gonna like this thing. That's kind of annoying. I was hoping this stuff would stay together a little bit better. So I feel like this instantly could be a mess. All these are under here. So, I mean, maybe this will be something better where if you want to put it somewhere else, it's handy, but right now that's kind of annoying to, I know I ideally bought this to put everything in the back of my truck and take it, but if it doesn't fit in well, then I'm gonna lose all this stuff really fast. So, I mean, I haven't even opened it yet, really, and it's already out of place. Seems like it has a decent amount of teeth on this thing. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's annoying. Let's go to the next. Let's see if we're just off. That's better. That's kind of what I like to see. 1918. Those numbers are really hard to read, which kind of sucks. I'll have to see if I can paint them or something and make it a little bit easier to see. That's nice. They come out better. Not so independently well though, which kind of is annoying. I had another brand. I'm trying to think of the Lowe's brand, the blue one, whatever that is. I can't think of it off the top of my head. I had another set of this, and I liked it a lot. I think it was like a $40 one. My only problem with it was it fell out of the back of my truck. So, did a watch and lost it. So, $200. I'm in the air right now what I think about it. I don't know. That stuff all being out of place makes me question the useful of this. Hopefully the deep sockets are nice to have, but 1918 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. There's no 10 deep socket in this, unless it's in this. Probably is. Yeah, but that is not the same drive. So, I'm kind of meh on it right now. I'll have to use it and kind of go from there. But thanks. Hopefully this video helps you in your decision-making process for purchasing this tool.